entire world.
Whoa, what? Fuck off. You too.
Who wants to go to sewers? I'll go to sewers.
Please,
Go
please.
get the book. Go get the
Oh my God.
suitcases, okay? Gravity. Bro, I just felt nothing because the banana.
A shotgun and a... I'll give you 5 shotguns
Flash grenade.
if you give me a... Your whip sucks. Everybody go to sewers. Everybody go to sewers.
I have the biggest flashlight and just say someone said, "Give me your money." Stop.
Everybody go to sewers.
Man, I've been in sewers.
Then get one, fat ass.
Damn.
How about you? You didn't see yourself, you poor guy. You're like me. Bro, who wants to go to one to make...
Oh, 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 oh.
Guys, can someone give me a
You need a revolver.
It makes room. That's the way he's going.
Yo, everybody come to sewers. Come to sewers. I'm down in sewers.
Son of a...
Then give me a rig.
No, thank you. I... Get a rag on yourself. It's coming down.
I'm done, I'm fucking done! Fuck you! 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 I'm done! I'm fucking done with your bullshit game. I'm done! This is bullshit!
Hey, what's your name, Step Round?
You want me to
Can we go to private car? Who wants to see my car?
Better not kill me.
Wait, are you still in sewers? I got the flashlight. I'm stuck with my right.
Nope.
Yeah,
Ain't no
you
way.
get stuck right there.
Gotta
That's why I
need
died.
Please kill it. Thank you. Fuck.
Guys, can someone give me
Nope.
a rig or I'll go broke?
Please die.
Nope.
What the fuck?
Nope.
Please die!
Nope.
Bother! Run. Please kill it. Oh, fucking sick.
I'm gonna go.
Hilma, get out of here!
Hey, did you get it? Did you get it? I'm gonna go get.
Jesus! Not doing that hell of that part. Get out of here. Get out of here.
am I the only one that sees two doors?
Grab it! Oh my god!
I think it's purple. Anybody wanna go to
No!
How do I do this? Dang, bro, you have a lot. See my whip.
What?
Get back here, boy. It's a non-PvP. You can't kill him. Yeah, you can't kill him.
I like my hair dripping.
What?
Wait, can I stop the angler with this?
Jesus!
Get out.
God damn it!
Free revolver! Free revolver!
You gotta be kidding me! Why
Trap,
me?
brother.
Kobe.
No, you
Where's
piece
your
of crap! That
revolver?
was mine!
My balls are smelly. My
I already gave it to
tits are hairy.
That's it. It just gave me a grenade. It just got me a grenade. That's crazy. That's crazy. It just got me.
Everybody have a piece of report
I
ready.
am not scared. That's what it gave him. Someone touched. Bro. Who did that?
Come on, me. Ow.
I
I'm gonna head over here.
found. So anybody who finds the food.
Bro, we should be hating.
One.
Come to sewers, come to sewers, come to... Yo, everybody, come to sewers, come to sewers. Come to sewers, come to sewers, come to sewers. Everybody, come to sewers, come to sewers.
I killed him! I killed him!
I just. Move! I am Optimus Prime. That's crazy. I am Big flashlight!
Golden egg? Bro got golden egg from the crate.
I already got the big flashlight.
Fuck.
Okay, the other one, oh my god, it just took mine away. It just took mine away, so that means that we can't sell them.
Okay,
What?
my ray gun.
Welcome to my butthole.
What?
Welcome to my
Get them
butthole.
with the crystal. Whoever has
Welcome
ray
to my
guns,
butthole.
get them with the crystals. Guys, I can't grab it. I can grab a ton.
I have to put something in my back.
Jesus.
Need here?
Who's a backpack we can put this into?
Yes! Okay, I'm gonna organize my stuff. So, grab again first.
We did it, boys! We made it through Haunted Mansion without dying!
So I'm gonna use stun and grenade buff times. And then I'm gonna buy like some grenades and got a grenade. One, two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grenades I can buy. Can grab. I'm not gonna stun them. I'm gonna just shoot them because it's just useless. The big one.
Who wants to go with me to Haunted Mansion?
Get my cross.
Oh, two. Sweet.
Who wants to go with me to Haunted?
Me. The haunted house. I'm going to come. Where are you?
Haunted right now, you better go.
Uh oh, I see one.
Okay.
Free hoverboard. Okay,
Watch
everyone,
him
let's go to Haunted.
Stun.
Hey,
Grenade.
bud, go!
Too easy to kill. I don't have a two-way flashlight, so that's fine. I'm okay with that. Well, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Have a like and subscribe. Have a nice day.